Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you steps on how to fix Cah App Request Failed error on your device. I'm going to be showing you various methods on how you can fix it. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So without any further delay, let's get started. If you're facing this kind of error, then first of all what you need to do is make sure that you have a stable internet connection. In case if you don't have a stable internet connection, and it might be one of the major reasons for your cause. In case if you're using public networks such as public Wi-Fi, or if you're using VPN, then it might be another reason, and it might also be due to the security purpose, then you're not able to use your Cah App, frequently facing this kind of error. If internet does not seem to be the issue, you can simply clear cache off your Cah App account. So for that, you need to open up your settings application. As you open up your settings, you need to scroll down and then click on apps. As you click on apps, on the other interface you need to click on Cah App. As you click on Cah App, and then you need to click on offload app in order to clear your cache. Once again, you need to log in into your account, and then you might be able to fix it. If none of these seems to be helping, then other thing, you can update the application. After clearing cache as well as after updating your Cah App account, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can try resetting your password or changing your password. In order to change your PIN in Cah App, what you'll need to do is log into your Cah App account and then click on the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. As you click on the profile icon, next interface will be directed to the settings page, and from there you need to click on security. As soon as you click on privacy and security, next interface will be able to see an option as change PIN, which is right at the bottom, and from there you need to click on change cache PIN. Next interface, you need to type in the new cache PIN, and after that you might be able to fix it. If none of these seems to be working, then the other thing, you can check your Cah App server. Sometimes the issue might be from the server itself, so you need to check for the server. Following all of these methods, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can try contacting their customer service and you might be able to fix the issue. And those were the methods on how you can fix Cah App Request Failed error on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.